playing Roblox Jailbreak, and yeah, let's get into it. I am insane at this game, and we're about to arrest some really bad prisoners who actually fall for the free key card trick. This might be one of the best ways to get money. So you just type free key in chat, and then just stand still. Sometimes they'll come, okay? Otherwise, you can just go AFK. And then just not move anything. Okay, yeah, so that's where we should. We don't talk about that. Oh look, somebody doing. Okay, and he just disappeared. Yeah, I totally know where he went. Oh wait, let's try to get this kid. Hey, yo, come here. Easy 400 money. Okay. Probably should have let him get my key. That would have been way smarter. Because then we could just go rob. Bangers out. Wait a minute. Where'd he go? Oh, how did he get up there? Oh, frick. What about me? Yeah, nah, he's dead, bro. Okay, so, yeah. Let's go. Okay. Probably should go to the next one over, but I'm stupid, so. Bro, I hate this thing Jailbreak's been doing where literally everybody just randomly freezes. Oh my god, dude, somebody's on top of me. Oh, wait, frick. Oh, hi. Oh, wow. Oh, okay. That was, thanks. Okay. I see how it is. Okay, wait, I can spawn a SWAT van? Wait a minute. Wait. Oh, wait, no problem. Yeah, man. If you guys want me to, like, do a certain game or, like a certain game in Roblox or a certain, like, video game in general, like, I have Minecraft, I have Warzone, I have Rocket League. Dude, I can't even think. Alright. Wait, I just saw him right there. Where'd he go? Or where'd he go? That happens a lot. Oh, there he is. Okay, cool. Okay, let's see if he has a key, because if so, I'm probably gonna go to the bank. Bro, I'm trying to tell my channel. There we go. Oh, hey, I got another friend that joined. Oh my god. Oh wait. Where you go? Isn't that's a popo, but okay. But he's scared. Bruh. Oh frick. I don't think I killed him. Oh my god, sniped. Ah. Mm. Mm. Oh, wait, nobody likes you. Oh, okay. Hi, Popo. You are not one of my teammates. Got him. Easy. Yes, sir. Red key. Okay, let's try to bust out. What's his name? Dude, what are you doing? Bro, are you joking? Yeah, I'll be a cop. Arrest some boys. Huh? Nineteens! Oh, I can't believe I got freaking arrested. Let's try this again. Oh, wait, how do I get out? Police. Oh, yeah. I want your key card. Can I have your key card? Okay, I'm just gonna. Yeah. Honestly, in my opinion, it's way easier to make money and faster as a cop because you don't have to deal with putting you in jail for like 20 hours. Oh, somebody's here. Yeah, I see you, bud. Come here. Oh, wait. No. We go. Freaky, get freaky. Psych, I lied. Psych, I lied. Hey, yo. What the? Wow. Hey, she's got a nice aim, not gonna lie. Oh my god. Okay, she's cracked. She's cracked. She's cracked. My guy. Now come on in. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna fly over there and freaking take out that lady. I really want to do. No. Come here, boy. No. Gotta go fast. Gotta go. Oh, come on, bro. Now I gotta do a whole police chase. Yo, earlier in class, I was playing this, and I freaking got into the funnest police chase ever. It was amazing. Like, it went on for a long time. Wait, how much are the explosives? Oh, yes, I'm definitely buying that. Yeah. Wait, how do I use the explosive? Oh. Oh, wait, I can actually use it. Oh, cool. Oh, here's you. I am coming. Ooh. There's a guy. Oh, come on. I have to paraglide on. Yeah, I'm just gonna freaking. Ooh. Man, oh my god. I'm not gonna lie, that was kind of sick. Bro, I kind of feel bad. Yeah, I see you over here. Bro, don't act like I don't see you. Garbage. Fool! Eh. Oh, wait, what? Bro, I arrested. Wait, what? Oh, come on. Now I gotta do a whole police chase. Oh, he gets head started. I guess that makes more fun. Or not, because he's just gonna freaking blow it. Come straight back to me. Yo, come here, boy. Don't act like I don't see you. You are garbage. Honestly, I kind of feel bad. He really like just broke out, didn't he? Pretty sure he just broke out. Hi. Oh, I remember this one. Nah, bro. Come here, bro. Bro, what criminal doesn't have guns? Bro, what I have got my cuffs. Got him. Sorry, bud. Not trash. You're trash. I'm gonna run more. Oh, dang it. Psych, I lied. Dang, that is fun to say for some reason. Oh my god. Bro, now you're just gonna camp in there. I didn't know how this works. Bro, that was so tempting. Oh, wait a minute. There's somebody in there. Guess what, Buster? I got a Lambo too, bud. Wait, oh, nice move. I like washing machines. Oh, 15. Oh, bruh. Oh, wait a minute. What? Oh, dude. How did you not think to arrest this? Wait, you can go back here? Oh, I didn't know that. Hey, yo! Yo! You don't want to go there, bud. Bro, what is this? Come on, bro. I hate spawning at this base. You made a bad choice, bud. Where the frick is that kid going? Where is this kid going? What are you doing, bud? Eject and arrest. Don't give me that stuff. I will freaking clap you anyway. Oh wait, crap, it isn't. Oh, frick. Oh! Dude, did this kid seriously forget about me? That's kind of mean. Oh! Shooting people is not very nice. I'm gonna send you to. I'm gonna have to send you to the principal's office, buddy. Oh my god, dude! I just freaking sniped you. How did you not die? Or lay down, or whatever happens, dude. I don't freaking know. Oh my god, GG, bud. Not really. Sure gets annoyed when your friends. Okay, like and subscribe if you're okay. Like if you hate it when your friends blow you up with stuff in your group chat, and then subscribe if you don't have it, or basically anything else besides those. Is there somebody in here? You know, dude, I don't even know what I'm saying. Just don't ask, please. It'll save us all time. Trust me. And it is. Wait, is that even a cop? But I bet you it's not even a cop. Oh wait, yeah, it's a cop. But I hate this thing. I hate this one. Not really though, because it's like the easiest one. Bro, I don't get why a bunch of people aren't coming here. Do they not know that the freaking whatchamacallit is open? But how do they not know? Oh, they probably think it's about to close because. Oh, I'm about to swipe these kids that come out. Wait, this could die. Oh, frick, no, he's coming up. I see you. Wait, what? Ooh, child. Oh, frick. Wrong way. Where'd he go? Come on, man. You really gotta do it? You really got me to do it this way? Oh my god. You gotta go fast, gotta go fast, gotta go very, very, very fast. Oh, where? Wait, where'd he go? Oh, Bro, what am I even doing in here? Nobody's in here. Yeah, nobody's in here. Stupid. Bro, imagine there actually was somebody in there and I just let them go. Okay guys, I think that's gonna have to be a wrap for today's video. Really hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to please like and subscribe. It's free and it helps me out too. And yeah, bye. Oh, also shout out to Opaman and Power Cake. Go subscribe to those channels. They are great fans of mine. And yeah, now bye.